Yo, that was not the. Oh! Okay. Jesus Christ.
And darling, where do we go?
Hey guys, it's Grace.
Hey guys, it's Milton.
And you're watching MG3. Everything down right now. We're at a theme park. Oh, it's raining now. It's raining now. Yeah. Wow. I wish this zoomed in quicker.
I can't wait to get my cheese fry.
Yeah, this is gonna be a weird vlog. I don't really know what we're gonna call this. Yo, that was not the. Oh! Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay.
I was mad that I just struck a move. Dude.
Yo, what was that? You're gonna kill us all.
That lasted a good half hour.
So yeah, we're going to Elijah's house. So what we're gonna name this? So yeah, they basically. Well, we're going to Elijah's aunt's house, but
get it right, goddammit.
I don't know what I'm gonna name this vlog. What should I name this vlog? You guys got good ideas?
We
for names?
almost got struck by lightning.
But we didn't. That's
was
clickbait.
thunder.
That's clickbait.
I'm the clickbait. Make me the thumbnail. I'm clickbait enough.
Okay,
right now.
do a scary look like you got struck by lightning. There we go.
Can I do one too?
Bro!
You do the sound effect. Can you do thumbnails with sound effect?
I ruined the napkin.
I can't do this.
Just one piece of rain on the camera.
Yo. Good job, dude.
Cut out. That's getting cut out of the video.
Right.
It's not getting cut out of the video.
She so just got you, Milton.
But I can still get a comeback. Watch. 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 Why?
Yeah, you came back all right.
Rigged.
Watch this. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Never mind. Dude, nice.
You have no. I called it. You gotta do it.
That is not how that works.
That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Alright, ready?
Do you want me to raise the hoop?
Alright, guys. So Grace is meowing. Wow, what the hell? Purring, purring. What am I doing? What am I saying? But yeah, so we are in the a freaking camper. A freaking lit camper over here with your boys.
Milton Fix.
Milton Fix. Milton Fix.
Grace fix.
Grace.
Grace has fixed.
This reminds me of that challenge that we did. The yoga challenge. Remember we did that? Yo!
Everything hurts.
We're gonna summon some demons. Hopefully that'll be fun, you know? Nope, I'm gonna zoom in on your face hella hard.
Are you taking a video of me? Stop!
It was something. Yeah, I was gonna say, I was doing one of the trees.
I am smart.
Why are you doing one?
Because I'm gonna do a montage of just zooming into your face. Make sure to spam kill the trees in the comments.
I hate you for that. I need to piss and I need to get breakfast. We are leaving now. Get up. Put the camera away.
I'm
Get
dying.
up. Great. Oh, I'm leaving with a.
We're walking now, guys.
I'm a sheep.
Hello.
I don't know where we're going.
We're going to
Go
the
to the
park
park.
right there.
It's right there.
I have my little brother with me and he can't go too far with his bike, so we have to tell him to stop. So if you hear me screaming, that's why.
In the
David,
vlog.
stop!
Grace, so how are you doing today? This is the interview. How are you doing?
I died in my sleep.
You died in your sleep. So how are you here right now?
Because I put my feet over
We're not
my bed,
putting this in the vlog.
And
I'm not putting this in the vlog.
As he puts it in the vlog.
As he puts it in the vlog.
No, that was great. No, I actually fell asleep with that. until Elijah took my feet up and bent my spine.
I know.
That's how I died.
Move
Picked
you.
me up, and then he bent my spine the wrong way, and then I died. Ew, he's like a highlighter.
Elijah! I liked her.
I liked her. Look at them grow up so fast.
Oh, highlighters playing with the little kids. Highlighter, stop!
I am recording myself for Milton's vlog. Is this not the best view ever? I'm sure they're getting a nice, great look at my...
It's black. I can't see your face.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Old friends coming out soon.
What'd you say? Milton?
Yeah.
Old friends coming out soon.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Old friends coming out soon.
The bar chocolate looks all shrimpy, so what gives? We need more power. Anything sky? No!